So I'm trying to type something in Windows search bar, and it's not typing anything. So I think a tool which is called CTFMON, which is used for input, is not working. I think it's not started yet, so I need to start it manually to fix this issue. So let's click on Explorer. Now this PC, let's go to the C drive, Windows, System 32. So I need to look for System 32. Here it is, System 32. And now I'm searching CTFMON. CTF. So here it is, CTFMON. So I double clicked on it and let's check. So you can see my problem is fixed, but it is not permanently fixed. I mean, if I restart my PC again, I will face the same issue. To fix it permanently, I need to add the shortcut of this tool to the Windows startup. Now first let me create the shortcut of this CTMON application. So I need to right click on it and click copy. Then on the desktop I will paste the shortcut. So this is the shortcut of CTFMON. I can also fix my issue later by just double click on it. I will double click on it and it will fix my issue, but I want a better solution. So let's go to the run command by pressing Windows with R key. If you don't know what is Windows key, let me show you on the virtual keyboard. So this is the virtual keyboard and this is the Windows key and this is the R key, and you need to press the Windows with R key together. So you will get this run command. Now let me close this keyboard. So here you need to type shell. I don't know what this symbol called, but you will find this symbol here on the keyboard. You need to press shift with this key. Okay, so shell startup, and now this is the startup folder. Just drag this shortcut here and that's it.